Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we are going to take a look at the steps to create a vendor login within the recruitment module of KEBS. In the recruitment module, the app has provision to create and distribute vendor access logins for external vendors to upload suitable candidate profiles for the hiring process to take place. The vendor login can be created by clicking on the More Options button and selecting the Create Vendor option. The Create Vendor login form appears. The user can enter the vendor name, their email ID, and select the access type. Once done, the user can click Submit button. The vendor login is created successfully and can be distributed to the vendor for them to log in into KEBS. The access and functionalities of a vendor will be covered in a later video. In order to view all created vendors, the user can click on the Show Vendors option present in More Options tab. Thank you for watching.